By the way, if you see me not shaved, quarantine got you, sis. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about these braids, which took me a week to do. But anyway, so I wanted to show you guys how I did these braids. Now, it's not going to be as detailed as I want it to be because I'm not a professional at doing hair, but I did want to show you guys what I did do to accomplish the braids itself. Well, knotless braids, and then on top of that, how I curled my hair at the end. So if you are interested, keep on watching. So let's just talk about some of the things that I did use. Now, I have really bad scalp, and when I say bad scalp, it is dry, it gets flaky even after I wash my hair. I don't know what that's about, but I have been using this product and it has been helping out a lot. I will obviously have the details in my description box below, so please check that out before you ask any questions. It's there. But yeah, so this has helped me a lot. It has cured that issue. Of course, I still have a lot of flakes, but not as much as I used to have. To detangle my hair, I did use by QuaHAIrtine. It is their Curl Essence Moisturizing Curl Activator. And what I did was use a little bit before actually parting my hair because my hair is a little dry. So I use that on top of my hair to detangle it. Throughout the whole entire process, I used my edge wax from NARS. It is a gem to me. It works pretty well for my hair, so I don't know if you guys are ever interested in using this. If you have used it, please let me know in the comments down below. Also use Mael's Edge Jam. Is this a jam or edge control slash gel? Just to do my baby hairs, and it worked well. And lastly, what I did was topped it off with some hair mousse. That's pretty much why my hair is a little flatter than it was before. All of these things are going to be in the description box below. If not, I don't have a link for it. So let's get on with the video. Prepping my hair. So currently I have it in 3 sections. One here, and then obviously my back that is blow dried. So here I am showing you guys me parting out my hair and just making sections to work with. I noticed that parting is usually one of the longest parts of doing knotless braids, other than how long your hair is going to be and how long you're going to be braiding that one braid for. I noticed parting is so tedious, and for me personally, I do not part extremely straight on my hair because it's not a big deal for me. Now, if I was doing someone else's hair, then that would be a major component for that person or client in this case. So this is me sectioning out my hair. So I wanted to show you guys exactly how I section up my hair. This is the first step to what I usually do whenever I am doing a knotless braid or just box braids in general. So I'm just going to show you guys that I parted everything out. It is not perfect because it's not like I'm doing someone's hair, but this is how I am doing it. I braided everything to the side. You can, and you have the option of going straight down, but I do want to layer my braids. This part is very crucial. The most important thing you want to make sure you are doing to your hair is making sure that it is moisturized and sealed underneath those braids. I wouldn't stress this enough. when you are doing cornrows or any kind of braids like that, when it's time to take your hair out, you don't want your hair to be dry and brittle, because I know that's something that I struggle with my hair. Don't mind the out of office management shirt. Anyway, so the product that I will be using is by QuaHAIRtine, and this product is pretty good as far as detangling my hair. It helped a lot. I actually used it on my stepdaughter's hair as well. So you can see how easy it was for me to detangle my hair. So if I was to give you an estimate or guesstimate of how thick I want my hair to be, I would say 3 centimeters in thickness, and that's what you can see me doing. I am taking some of the blonde hair and some of the brown hair in order to get that quote-unquote Beyoncé effect, okay? And I did do 4 sections of this just for one braid. So here we are parting our hair to start the braid. I am parting to mirror what is on the left side. Then I'm actually going to use my edge control, which is the Milani's edge wax. I know that some people do use a edge control that is more stiff, so that you have that very sleek look. For some odd reason, my edge control is kind of like heated, so it's kind of oily in a sense, but it doesn't really bother me, to be quite honest with you. But here I am using it, slicking that bad boy down, and then here comes the more complicated way of doing this. So now I need to get a little closer to you guys so that you can see exactly what I'm doing, and just pay attention to what I'm doing just to get the flow of things. So the whole concept of doing a knotless braid consists of doing a regular plait and a feed-in braid. So what I'm doing here is sectioning my hair off in 3, as I am going to plait my hair, and that's the way it makes it look like it has no knot in it, instead of just adding the extensions to your hair. So here I am doing 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I add my hair. So I hold part of the hair with my pinky, and then I slide the other piece to the pointer, or the pincher I should say, that hair that feels like it's pinching onto your hair. That's what I'm doing. And then I'm doing the plait again, 1, 2, and then I carry the hair that I'm holding in my mouth and add it to the pincher. And then 1, 2. Now we add in another hair, which is the feeding effect. Hold it with my pinky, add the hair into the pincher, hold the rest of the hair with my mouth so it doesn't slide. Now 1, 2, take the remaining hair, add it to the pincher, and then keep on braiding. So a little way of understanding how it works is acting as if you're about to do a cornrow. Like, that's the feel of it. And then after you get the hair in, you just want to plait the hair going forward. A little hint or a little thing to do when you're doing knotless braids: don't braid the hair all the way down, because then you're taking so much time focusing on the ends rather than getting all of the braids done. So I was just doing the entire thing just for the video purposes, but what I would normally do is just braid halfway down and then move on to the next braid, and then repeat that process. And then once I'm completed, then I just braid the entire braids down. Hey guys, so I'm going to attempt to curl the ends of my hair. I've never done this before. Usually if I braid my hair myself, I just usually like leave it like this and just dip it in. Or sometimes if I do want to curl the ends, I would just braid just a little ends and then dip it into hot water. But this time I'm going to use my metal straw and I'm actually going to section them off and see how it works. And you guys will obviously see the end results of it. But I'm going to section it off into 4 pieces or 4 sections, and then just tie the ends starting from the bottom and then just rolling. Actually, I'll start from the top, and when I say top, I'm talking about like halfway through. So I'll start from the top here and just roll, and as I'm rolling, I'm actually twisting. So there's a difference. You can just twist like this if you want, or you can do the tight roll where you're rolling and rolling as well. As you're rolling, you're kind of like twisting it upwards. I'm not sure exactly how to explain that, but it should have like this spiral look, and I'm just gonna move up a little bit. So it should end like this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is what I'm referring to. Now the trick is, because I've done this in the past, when you dip the hair in the water, don't scrunch it up, because that's how your hair is going to end up looking. It's going to look scrunch up. So as soon as you dip it in, kind of like let the water just flow out, and then you wrap your towel around it and just push downwards, if that makes any sense. But I'll show you guys what that looks like. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you guys came out of this with some information. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments below and we can make that happen.